In this video, we're diving deep into Acorns, the popular micro-investing app designed to make saving and investing effortless for everyone. Acorns works by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and automatically investing the spare change. We'll explore how this unique feature, known as Round UPS, helps you grow your portfolio without even noticing the small contributions. When you first open the Acorns app, you're greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface that walks you through the setup process. After linking your bank account, Acorns starts tracking your transactions, rounding them up, and transferring the spare change into your investment account. One of the standout features is how customizable the Round UPS are. You can even set multipliers to increase the amount invested per transaction. Acorns offers various account types, including Acorns Invest, Later, and Early. Acorns Invest is a general brokerage account perfect for everyday investing. Acorns Later focuses on retirement savings, allowing you to set up an IRA that fits your retirement goals. Acorns Early is geared toward parents who want to invest for their children's future. Each account is tailored to specific financial needs, making it easy to choose the one that's right for you. The app uses automated portfolio management based on modern portfolio theory, ensuring your investments are diversified and matched to your risk tolerance. You don't need to have any prior investing knowledge. Acorns takes care of everything for you. Additionally, the app offers educational resources to its Grow section, providing articles and tips to help you become more financially literate. Acorns charges a flat monthly fee based on the plan you choose: Light, Personal, or Family. The Light plan costs $1 per month and includes the basic Round UPS feature. The Personal plan, at $3 per month, adds retirement savings and banking features. For $5 per month, the Family plan includes everything from the other tiers, plus the ability to set up investment accounts for your kids. While some may see these fees as a downside compared to free investing apps, the automation and simplicity might be worth it for those just starting out. Security is also a major highlight of Acorns. The app employs 256-bit encryption to protect your data and investments. It's also SIPC insured, meaning your funds are protected up to $500,000. Finally, Acorns includes a cashback feature called Found Money. Partnered brands offer you cashback on your purchases, which Acorns automatically invests. This is a great way to boost your account balance while shopping at stores you already love. Overall, Acorns is ideal for individuals who want to save and invest without actively managing their portfolios. It's particularly useful for beginners or those who struggle to save consistently. However, the flat fees may not be suitable for users with low account balances. If you're considering starting your micro-investing journey with Acorns, watch until the end for my personal insights and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you found this review helpful. It helps the channel grow and allows me to keep producing content like this. Thank you for watching.